It's very important to save as you go while you're building your Excel files. There's a number of reasons why the program might crash and you're going to lose all the work you've done in the last few hours. Now, you can just use the shortcut Control S to save as you go, but what this means is that you won't be able to always go back to previous versions of it. Let's say you exit out the file, you go back in and you think, oh, I wish I had the version before I made this large update to this section. If you save as, you'll be able to give different versions of your project different numbers. So you might have budget underscore 1, and then an hour later you save as budget underscore 2. And it might go up to budget underscore 100, but at least it means you'll be able to refer back to any version of that and take pieces of previous versions that you've now decided you want to use again.
You can save your workbook with the shortcut Control S, or by clicking File and then choosing Save. You can also save as using the shortcut with the F12 key, or by going to File and selecting Save As.